When you get a ribbon search failed error 0300 in your card printer, I will now show you how you can fix that error. First, open your Windows settings and find the printers and scanners section. Here, click HITI CS200E and then click Printing Preferences. A window like this should pop up now. And here, click the Tools section in the middle. Now, click Correction for Ribbon Sensor. There we go. And now another window should open up that says, please take off the ribbon and IC chip. So, open up your printer, remove the ribbons, and remove the IC chip. Now you can click Next again, and it's gonna say, please clean the ribbon sensor. So the ribbon sensor is the little thing that looks like LED lights in the lid and the bottom of the printer. You don't have to clean them, but you can clean them with a napkin a little bit if you would like. In a normal situation, though, you can just click Next again, and now it's gonna say, please close the door. So just close the door on your printer, like that. And now on the same window, you can click Calibrate. Hopefully your printer is gonna say Success and give you the option to click Finish. And there we go. And now you can put the IC chip back into the printer. And the ribbons, you can also put them back inside. Make sure you put them in their place properly, that they're fitted like they should be. And put the orange part of the ribbon into the orange part of the printer, and then the blue into the blue. You don't need to tighten it up. The printer is gonna tighten up the ribbons on its own. So that should be all the steps for now. The printer is just checking that it's working, and when it says printer ready, that means everything is working and you can get back to printing.